high-speed quarry. Behind us is a PC1250-11 that was recently delivered by Komatsu, New Zealand. So he's loading out HD 785-8s. So there's been a lot of investment in the quarry industry here in New Zealand, hence why there's a brand new loading tool or a production excavator and haulage fleet. 1250s have always been like a real staple for production loading. You get that twin bucket cylinder, which is a lot of breakout force. They're relatively quick machines for their size. Komatsu makes a hell of a machine. It's beautiful to see them here in New Zealand.